Welcome to Niagara Falls, Canada's natural wonder that never ceases to amaze. If you're looking to experience the best of Niagara without breaking the bank or your schedule, stick around as we take you on a unique journey. Hey, adventurers! Today we're embarking on a special walking tour that's not just any tour, it's your VIP ticket to the falls. Let's dive into the breathtaking experiences awaiting us. Our first stop, the extraordinary journey behind the falls. Imagine descending 125 feet to stand right behind this thundering marvel. Feel the vibrations? That's the heart of Niagara beating. As we journey, we'll pass by the Nikola Tesla Statue, marvel at the historic power stations, and stroll through the lush Floral Showhouse. These sights tell the tales of Niagara's past. Next up, the Table Rock Welcome Center, right on the brink of the Horseshoe Falls. Perfect spot for selfies, trust me. Now for the thrill seekers, the Hornblower Boat Tour. We're skipping the line to get up close with the mighty falls. Don't forget your poncho, it's going to get misty. Cruise by the iconic Rainbow and Whirlpool Rapids bridges as we make waves in this unforgettable journey. But that's not all. Your ticket includes expert guidance, all admission fees, and priority access to attractions. Just remember, food's on you. Ready to join? Meet us at the Niagara Parks Welcome Center. Look for the guide in blue. You can't miss us. And hey, life happens. If you need to cancel, just do it 24 hours before the tour for a full refund. Check the weather though. We want clear skies for our adventure. So, are you in? Join us for a journey filled with splendor, history, and the roar of Niagara. This isn't just a tour, it's your backstage pass to the wonders of the falls. Don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing adventures. See you behind the falls.